We're going to go out and try some panfish.
And you've been here before?
Oh yeah, several times. We fish here a lot. There's a nice bluegill. Come here, guy.
That didn't take long.
No, it didn't.
You said you guys were out here yesterday?
Yes, sir.
Fishing was pretty good?
Fishing was excellent.
And you said your wives came along?
Yes, sir.
They like ice fishing too?
They love it.
Are they better than you guys?
Yeah, most of the time.
Why is that?
We're just not as good at fish for people as they are, I guess.
Especially in East Harbor, catching some good old panfish. Some nice pumpkin seeds. A few perch.
Now, James, you said you've been ice fishing for 35 or so years.
Yep.
Have you ever gone in?
Nope.
Ever come close?
No.
Why not?
The water's cold. You gotta pay attention. Don't go out, risky when it's risky.
Is it better to be a leader or a follower?
Oh, pioneers always get the arrows.
My name's Greg Fish, and my last name's actually Fish. So I'm from Amherst, Ohio.
Okay. And is this a pretty good spot to fish?
Oh yeah, it's a great spot. Great spot, safe ice, hard ice. So yeah, it's fun. Great family place to go. Warm. I like to fish outside the shelter so I can see everything, see the birds. I think it's more relaxing, I guess. Plus, you don't have to haul it out here, so you travel light. But like I was saying, I like to fish in the shelter when my dad comes up.
So he likes to stay warm.
He does, yeah. The shelter's definitely warm. Plus, I like to stay mobile, so it's easier to move without a shelter.
What?
Pretty bluegills, though, huh?
Very nice.
Get that one. Oops.
Ready?
I'll get turned around here. I can probably back. Oh, shit.
You're still hooked up front.
Oh, my book? Man, you're killing me.
At least we got somebody that knows what they're doing. Oh, he's videotaping too. Awesome.
Yeah, he is.
Cut that out, right?
Oh yeah, definitely.
We're from Wakeman, Ohio, and we're out here doing some ice fishing today.
Have you been out on East Harbor this year so far?
We have. We were out here yesterday.
How'd you do?
Not so good yesterday, but we saw a lot of people around us doing well, so we're going to try it again.
Yeah, decided to come back out.
We got all the gear we need. Nice heater. We'll be good.
DeWalt heater, yeah, it was nice. Fix a little lunch inside the tent.
We're going to try to catch some crappie and bluegill.
Have you been out here on East Harbor this year?
No, not this year. We've been to Chippewa, been to Mosquito, but we haven't been out to East Harbor yet.
And you drove from Parma today?
Yes, we did.
That's a pretty decent drive.
Hour and 10 minutes.
Is it going to be worth it?
Just getting out here on the ice makes it worth it, just to be out here.
And what about you, young lady? You look like you're all set up for ice fishing.
Yeah.
Are you good at it?
Better than him.
And why is that?
She catches more, that's why.
Just in the touch.